so Jordan is asking question. Rambam highlights in Sefer Ahava Hilchot Tefillah Bevirkat Hakonim a suboptimal surmised version of the Amidah called "Give Us Knowledge." Then it says that the abridged version is not stated in winter, on Shabbos, and after holidays. Do you know the specific length of time that one must wait after holidays before the abridged version is acceptable again?
We don't do this abridged version any longer. Of this Amidah, so we will do the full Amidah. If I remember correctly, so that opinion was not accepted. So, I mean, the whole Amidah, what is it? 5 minutes, 6 minutes. That's it. I mean, what is it to cut?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. What else?